How long does it take to fix a bleeding phone screen?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be tackling a common issue with smartphone screens, the dreaded screen bleeding. In this video, we will answer the often asked question, how long does it take to fix a bleeding phone screen? As you might expect, the answer can vary depending on various factors, which we'll go over in detail.
What is screen bleeding?
Screen bleeding is a term used to describe a gradient of color that stretches along the edges of an LCD screen, distorting the image. This issue usually occurs when light leaks onto the screen, causing areas that should be dark to appear lighter or have a different color hue. It can be a minor annoyance or a major problem, depending on its severity.
How to fix screen bleeding?
Screen bleeding can be a tricky issue to fix. It usually involves replacing the entire LCD screen of the phone, as it's often caused by physical damage or manufacturing defects. In some minor cases, software fixes might be tried, but they are usually not effective in completely resolving the issue.
How long does it take to fix?
The exact duration of the repair process can depend on several factors. 1. Skill level of the technician. If the technician is experienced, the process could be quicker. It might take a novice a bit longer. 2. Availability of replacement parts. If the replacement LCD screen is readily available, this will significantly speed up the process. 3. Complexity of the phone design. Some phones are easier to disassemble and reassemble than others. In general, if all factors align, a skilled technician can replace a phone screen in about 1 to 2 hours. However, this doesn't account for any waiting time for an appointment or delivery of parts, which can add several days to the process. Fixing a bleeding phone screen can be a relatively quick process in terms of actual repair time, but waiting for an appointment or necessary parts can extend this time frame. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional if you're experiencing screen bleeding to understand your options and get an accurate time estimate. Remember, your mileage may vary, but an experienced technician should be able to tackle the task within a couple of hours. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful in answering your question.